So here we're adding a fraction to a mixed number, but this time we're going to answer the question by changing our mixed number to an improper fraction. So as an improper fraction, 1 3/4 is 7/4, because 1 times 4 is 4 plus 3 is 7, the denominator stays the same, and we're still adding 4/5. But we know that to add fractions we need the denominators to be the same. 20 is in both the 4 and the 5 times table, so we can find equivalent fractions to 7/4 and 4/5, which have a denominator of 20. 4 times 5 is 20, 7 times 5 is 35, 5 times 4 is 20, 4 times 4 is 16. So we can rewrite our question again. Instead of 1 3/4 or 7/4, we can write 35 over 20, and instead of adding 4/5, we can add 16 over 20. So now we have our common denominator, so we keep the denominator the same in our answer, and 35 plus 16 is 51. Now, if we want to change our answer back into a mixed number, we can divide, and 51 divided by 20 is 2 remainder 11, because 2 times 20 is 40, then we need 11 more to get to 51. Our denominator stays the same, so our denominator is still 20, which means our answer is 2 11 over 20. Now 2 1/2 plus 6/7, so we can change our mixed number to an improper fraction. That's 5 over 2, because 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5, the denominator stays the same. We're adding 6/7, but to add fractions we need a common denominator. 14 is in both the 2 and the 7 times table, so we can find equivalent fractions with a denominator of 14. 2 times 7 is 14, 5 times 7 is 35, 7 times 2 is 14, 6 times 2 is 12. So now we can rewrite our question. Instead of 2 1/2 or 5 over 2, we can write 35 over 14. And instead of adding 6/7, we can add 12 over 14. So now we're adding fractions with a common denominator, so we can keep the denominator the same in our answer. 35 plus 12 is 47, so our answer is 47 over 14. Now if we want to change that back into a mixed number, it's quite tricky, but 47 divided by 14 is 3 remainder 5. That's because 3 times 14 is 42, but then from 42 we need 5 more to get to 47. Our denominator stays the same, so our denominator is 14, which means our answer is 3 5 over 14. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.